Hey guys, this is the review video for the quiz we have today. We're going to go through each of the type of problems you have today, and then you can take the quiz as many times as you want. So here we go. Question number 1 says that this table shows a proportional relationship between R and Y. We first need to come up with a constant of proportionality. Okay, to do that, remember we go second column divided by first column. So second column divided by first column. So we can pick any row. The row I would pick is a row without fractions. So I'm going to pick this second row. The number in the second column is 1 divided by 4. Okay, I would leave it as a fraction. So on the first one, the constant proportionality, you can just type it in like that, 1 over 4. Okay, the second part of number 1, it's going to tell you to write an equation. So to write an equation, we're going to take the constant of proportionality, 1/4, and remember the constant of proportionality goes with the first letter, or the letter in the first column. So if I write an equation, I have 1/4, that's my constant proportionality, R, and that's going to equal the second column's letter, Y. So my equation is Y equals 1/4 R, and my constant of proportionality is 1/4. All right, question number 2. It talks about a car going down the road, and it's represented by the equation D equals 40t, where D equals distance. So D equals distance, and T equals time. Okay, so there's 3 parts to this question. Question A asks, how far is the car going to travel in 1 hour? Okay, well, if we look here, our constant proportionality, if we think of a car's speed is measured in miles per hour. So if it's 40 miles an hour, in 1 hour, the car is going to go 40 miles an hour. So 40 would be my answer, okay? It's just the number that's in the problem. Letter B is going to ask you, how far can the truck travel in 3.5 hours? So 3.5 hours, that is your time. So if I replace that, I have D equals 40 times 3.5. So because the 40 and the T are right next to each other, we're going to multiply them. So if I pull out my calculator, 40 times 3.5, I get 140 miles. Okay, and then letter C, apparently it's not going to do that for me. Letter C talks about how many hours is it going to take to go, let's say 70 miles, okay? So miles is your distance, so we're going to take the distance and plug it in right there. So 70 equals 40t. Because it's on the other side of the equation, we're going to divide. We start with the number that is in the problem, so 70 miles divided by 40 miles an hour. I pull out my calculator. 70 divided by 40 is 1.75 hours. Okay. So letter A, what's the speed? How far does it go in 1 hour? That's just the number in the problem. Letter B, you're going to multiply the number in the problem by how many hours it is. And letter C, you're going to divide the number in the problem by the number in the equation. All right, number 4 is just going to give you a chart and ask if the chart makes a proportional relationship. So remember, we're just going to we need to find the constant proportionality. So just like number 1, we're going to go second column divided by first column. So on this first part, we're going to go 180 divided by 3, and we get 60. Then we move on to the next one. 360 divided by 6, we get 60. And the last one, 540, divided by 6, we get 60. Whoops. This right here should be divide. So we divide them all, second column divided by first column, and we all get 60. Because they are all the same, the answer is yes. Okay, if I had another one over here, say I had 2 and 10, 3 and 15, 4 and 24. So once again, second column divided by first column. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Because they are not all the same, this is not proportional. Okay, so on number 3, just divide second column divided by first column. If they're all the same, the answer is yes, like the first one. And if they are not all the same, the answer is no. All right, and on number 4, let me change this real fast. Let's go 9. Okay, on number 4, it's going to give you a chart like that, and you just have to fill out the chart, and then you also have to tell me what the constant proportionality is. Remember, for some reason, the book likes to use the letter K. So remember, to find the constant proportionality, we go second column, 24. We pick the row that has both numbers, divided by first column, 4. Well, 24 divided by 4 is 6. So our constant proportionality is 6. If we go this way, we're multiplying by 6. If we go this way, we're dividing by 6. Okay, so 42, we're going backwards, so we're going to divide by 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Okay, now 9 times 6, because we're going forwards, 9 times 6 is 54, and 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, remember, the number next to 1 is your constant of proportionality. Okay, so that's the quiz. Remember, take it as many times as you want. Remember, the questions will not be the same the second or third or fourth or fifth time you take them. Be good for the sub, please, and we'll talk with you later.